I like trains.
Hello everyone, we now have a westbound on CSX. I think I know what this is. M405 rerouted. So this train in Ashtabula will get onto Norfolk Southern's Youngstown line. And it will take that south and then get on CSX's Newcastle sub in Youngstown and stay on CSX throughout its journey. Unless I'm way wrong, but these trash cars are indicating that. So that's interesting, because I actually thought that was going to be on Norfolk Southern's tracks, but nope. Maryland Midland. Maryland Midland to New York. Interesting. But that's how you can tell this is a train that goes down our area. Rolling stock doesn't appear to be anything special, unfortunately. Unless, hold up, what are these cars up ahead? I hope I just jinxed myself. Oh, I did. Two Pan Am boxcars. So yeah, definitely jinxed myself there, and I'm glad. There goes. It is likely M405. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for future content as always.